How is everyone? Hope everyone is fine. Today our topic is how to make photography like photos, Photoshop like photos, like logo, background, banners, everything using AI tool. In the first video we use ChatGPT. In the same video we also use ChatGPT. This is part 2. We will see other type of photos. Is ChatGPT create that type of photo or not? We will also check 4 months and different types of things in this video. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So first you need ChatGPT in your mobile or PC, that platform you are using. I am using mobile, so let's start. Here's ChatGPT. Let's go into ChatGPT. In the ChatGPT, here is the option. In the right side of the plus, here is the option create an image. We will use this option, but first we ask ChatGPT to create prompt for us. That is easy for us to create image. Okay, ChatGPT provide us the best prompt, but you can also enter your own prompt. Okay, first we create the prompt. We said ChatGPT create best prompt image creation for my YouTube channel banner. My channel name is Geek Speak, and I have a touch channel category. I need found banner plus add your things also that create best banner. So send me best prompt. Okay, let's see what kind of prompt they are sending us. Best prompt for YouTube banner tech channel Geek Speak. A futuristic and sleek YouTube channel for a touch focus channel called Geek Speak HD. Okay, let's see YouTube channel. Okay. Here is copy option. Okay. Now we will go and create an image, paste and send. Let's see what kind of photo ChatGPT will create for us. ChatGPT usually create logos, photos, and let's see what kind of banner they will create. Assalamualaikum. Lots of people are creating images right now, so this might take a bit. We will notify you when your image is ready. ChatGPT maybe due to high traffic at this time in ChatGPT image creation tool, it will take a lot of time. Let's see, mostly ChatGPT create for us photo in 10, 20, 30 seconds. but due to maybe high traffic it will take maybe 1 minute or more than 1 minute. Let's see how much time it will take and what type of what kind of photos they will create for us. Let's see. uh, in the part 1 they we will ask them to create a logo, and they easily create an in the square size logo and best logo that people sell $100 $200, that kind of. Let's see. Okay, they create banner size photo. It's also look good, but Geek speak in the middle, or if they add Geek speech in the middle, then it look good. In the left side, maybe when we upload in the banner, they cut over 2 3 alphabets. So maybe ChatGPT needs improvement in other formats also. So in this video we check banner formats, but their creation tool is amazing, but maybe ChatGPT need to improve in other format size. So for now, this is now for today video. We will see you in the next. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.